Hello student, I'm Dr. Parmita Basu from Key Art and Design. So all the students who are going for an NID exam on 21st of December, what to do and what not to do, how you should give exam. So I will tell you in this video about that. So keep watching till end. So first of all, when you're going for the exam, please see whatever there in the admit card. There will be a list in admit card that only you should take. If you take any extra things, they will not allow in the examination hall. First, you should take a transparent bag, transparent bottle for drinking, and all the other material like pen, micron pen, pencil colors, everything should be in the transparent bag. Should take a good amount of small bottle of water bottle, which should be also in transparent bottle. Plus, you should take your admit card, admit card of NID and Aadhaar card, which is also very important for your entry. So don't forget it, and please keep in your mind and keep in the bag which you have made. When you are going for exam, always, so please read the question very nicely so that you don't miss anything answering the question which you are already read, you've read. Sometimes I've seen students, they read the question paper and they not properly, and they do wrong things in the question answer sheets. So sometimes they have the question has said color it, and they, instead of coloring it, they don't color it, they leave it. Or sometimes they say don't color it and they don't see don't and they color it. So then your marks will cut. So please see if it is written what they have specified, then do that question. So it is very important to read the question very nicely and properly 2-3 times, then answer the question. The next thing which you should do, and is that when you're answering, when you're specifically drawing the question, please do all the drawings together. Don't start coloring one and then, because it is important to answer all the questions which like if you're getting 5 to 6 questions for drawing, you should answer all the questions. So first I will suggest you to draw everything, then afterwards, after you have completed drawing, then start doing shading and micro pen, whatever, or coloring, then if you have time. Otherwise, if you miss one question also, so you will see the chunk of marks you're missing. So please don't do that. So first do all 5 questions drawing, then start doing the whatever recoloring or shading, whatever it is required. So next thing which is very important is, when you're doing drawing, it should be 3D, it should not be flat, it should be very nicely made. You should always keep in mind about perspective. The line should be very strong, proper lines, and of course when you're shading, that time the line should not be seen, so it should be merged the lines. Plus, when you're doing any pencil colors, the colors should be properly done, not very light. So all these things you should keep in your mind when you're doing the drawing and coloring. And of course, for other things we should not do is that you should not do very dirty works. Don't do rubbing so much while doing drawing. So do light drawings. Your rubbing time also is not spent so much, because when you have a strong line, then that time you will see that the rubbing is very, if the line is not going. So you should, if starting, you should do very light lines. So, and they do the layouting, then do, after that you can give the shading and all that. That will always help you. Time is very important in the exam, and so that's why that line and everything, when you're drawing and rubbing less, will help you to reduce your timing of your drawing. So that is very important. So while you're also practicing, because there are few times are left, do lot of mock tests or sample papers or the last year papers, which is very important. For mock test, you can join our mock test. We have a mock test. You can just give me a WhatsApp, message me, and you want mock test, you can tell me that, and we will send you the mock test. So you can do our mock test, and that will also help you to understand more about the NID paper. And of course, do in timing. Timer is very important, because in 3 hours your all question with 40 questions and 5 drawing paper. It's a very lengthy paper. Normally NID is a very lengthy paper. So if you don't, keeping a timer is very important while practicing. Keep timers after doing. There is lot of nowadays every phone has time, so you can keep an alarm. As soon as the alarm tells you that the exam is over, that will always help you, because when you're keeping time, that will always help you to improve your timing. And you also know that how much time you're taking to do drawing, because if you are very skillful also, and you are very creative, very skillful, but if you are very slow, you will not get through in NID exam, because NID exam has 40 question and 35 drawing papers. So it is very important that you complete your paper in time, and for that you have to improve your speed. Do lot of rigorous sketching, speed sketching. Do lot of sample papers in with timers. That will always help you. Any student wants to have a mock test, we are giving free mock test, and with that free mock test we are also helping students by giving a counseling of correction counseling, which you can ask me for the counseling. But for the counseling also, you just have to do the mock test. For mock test, you just have to give a WhatsApp message. In message, you just have to write your name, your state, and you can just mention that you want mock test. And then after that, I will give you the form, you will fill, and your mock test will come in email. And after you've done the mock test, you will do that. After that, you will also send it in the email, and that correction of the mock test I will do. And if you want a counseling after that, how you seeing your drawing and everything, and I will see that if you're actually doing well or not, where you can improve and what you can do in your drawing, so that you do well, that I will tell you in your counseling time. So for that, you have to just give the mock test. What are you waiting for? Grab your phone and WhatsApp me in my number for the mock test. So now I think from me and my team, again, best of luck for your exam, and which is coming on 21st of December. Hope you do very well, get in your dream college. So I think this video is very important for all NID students. So do like and share. Those who are coming first time in this channel, do subscribe us. We will meet you with lots of more videos. Bye for today.